Again, ABC is a triangle. The coordinate of the midpoint of ABC are given D yellow 5 1 and E 6 5 and F is 0 comma 3. We have to find the coordinate of X, A, B, and C. So we are considering that the coordinate of A is x1, y1, coordinate of B is x2, y2, and coordinate of C is x3, y3. Now you see D is the midpoint of AB. So I have written D means 5 1. 5 comma 1 is the midpoint of x1, y1 and x2, y2. It is x1, y1, it is x2, y2, and this is the midpoint. So you write this 5. You see this is the value of x. I have written 5, and then you write x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 by 2. So when you will write about 5, you just take the sum of x1 and x2 divided by 2. So after cross multiplication, you will get x1 plus x2 equal to 10. Similarly, you see this is the midpoint and the coordinate of here is 1. So I have written 1 equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Here it is y1, y1 is this, y2 is this, and plus divided by 2 after cross multiplication you will get 2. So these are the two equations. Now you see this is the point 6 comma 6 comma 5 is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of BC. So here you write 6 means x2 plus x3 divided by 2. Here it is written 6 equal to x2 plus x3 by 2. So another equation x2 plus x3 equal to 12. Same way you write 5 equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. So it is y2 plus y3 equal to 10. This is the fourth equation. Similarly, here you see f is the midpoint of a C, so it is 0. X1 plus x2 divided by 2 is 0. Here it is written x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 0. So after x1 plus x3, sorry. So x1 plus x3 is 0. Similarly, you write it is the you see this point is 3. So I have written 3 equal to y1 plus y2 by y3 by 2. So after cross multiplication, it will be 6. So you remember this equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is x1 plus x2 equal to 12. 3 is x2 plus x3 equal to 12. And 3 is x1 plus x3 equal to 0. Here y1 plus y2 is it is given 2. Y3, y2 plus y3 is given 10, and then y1 plus y3 is given 6. You remember this because in the next page when you will do it, I will not show this part. Now you see taking the sum of 1, 3 and 5. 1 in 1 it was written as x1 plus x1 plus x2, and here you see it is x2 plus x3, and here you see it is x1 plus x3. So I have written taken the sum of all, and you see in 1 it is given 10, in 2 it is in 1 it is given 10, in 2 it is given 12, and in 3 it is given 0. So here you see x1, 2 x1 is there, 2 x2 is there, 2 x3 is there. So I have taken 2 common, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to, their sum is 22. 12, 10 plus 12 is 22. Now divide both sides by 2, it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 11. This is equation number 7. Now from 2, 4 and 6 you see 2 is this y1 plus y2, then y3, y2 plus y3, then y1 plus y3, and in this side it is given 2 and then 10, then 6. So again we have taken the sum of all these, and in this side we have written 10 at 2 plus 10 plus 6 is 18. Now here you see y1 2 times, y2 2 times, y3 3 times. So 2 taken common, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 18. So dividing both sides by 2, it will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 9. It is divided by 2. It is divided by 2. So 2 to cancel. Now you see these are the main equations 7 and 8. Why 7 is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 11. So I have written, you see, in this equation, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 11. From the first equation, we have got x1 plus x2 equal to 10. So when we put the value of x1 plus x2 equal to 10, x3 left, that is equal to 11. So x3 is equal to 11 minus 10, that is 1. Similarly, from 3 and 7 we get in 3 equation it is given x2 plus x3 is 12. So in place of x2 plus x3 I have written 12, and in x1 remains same, that is equal to 11. So x equal to 11 minus 12, that is minus 1. Again from 5 and 7, in 5 it was given as x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, this one. So here I have written 0 in place of x1 plus x3, so x2 left, that is equal to 11. So x2 can be written as 11. 11. So x1 how much? x1 is minus 1, x2 is 11, and x3 is 1. Now here we have got y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 7 is 9. So in the third equation, second equation, we got y1 plus y2 equal to 2. You see, you remember this thing. Y1 plus y2 equal to 2, y2 plus y3 equal to 10, and y1 plus y3 is equal to 6. Here we have used this one in place of number y1 plus y2. In place of y1 plus y2, I have written 2 from 5 plus y3 equal to 9. So y3 equal to 9 minus 2 is 7. From 4 and 7 8, 4 and equation 8, in 4 it was given as y2 plus y3 is 10. So in place of y2 plus y3 I have written 10, and y1 remains same. You see, y2 plus y3 I have written 10, y1 remains same, that is equal to 9. So y1 equal to 9 minus 10. uh, 9 minus 10, 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Similarly, from 6 and 8 we got in 6 it was y1 plus y3 is 6. That's why I have written y2 remains same, that is equal to 9. So y2 equal to 9 minus 6 is 3. So thus we have find the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now we have considered the coordinate of A is x1, y1. So here you see x1 is minus 1, I have written, and x2 is y1 is minus 1. So it is minus 1, minus 1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. So x2 it is x1, then it is x2. x2 is, you see, 11, I have written here. And y2 is 3, that is here. C is C, coordinate of C is x3, y3. So x3 is 1, and y3 is 7. So I have written, and these are the coordinate of A, B, and C. So this is the end of the maths. Thank you. Good night.